A well-made, sturdy step stool is a must-have for anyone who isn't 7 feet tall and needs to paint walls, hang artwork, change ceiling light bulbs, or stow or retrieve items from high shelves. To help you find the best step stool for your home, we researched step stools based on their sturdiness, portability and storage, design, aesthetic and materials, and use and versatility. We consulted with an expert who furnished us with some unexpected insight. For instance, when you're shopping for a step stool, remember to check the weight limit and consider not only the weight of the person, but that of the objects you might be bringing up and down, says Karen Jacobs, OT Ed OTR, CPE, professor of occupational therapy at Boston University. There are numerous options for cheap folding step stools, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable folding step stools from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Honey Can Do Folding Step Stool. This foldable step stool by Honey Can Do makes our list as the best step stool overall. It checks off a lot of boxes for most, it's lightweight, and it collapses or folds for exceptionally easy storage. What's more, it's tall enough to help you reach the top shelf of a kitchen cabinet, items stored on top of your fridge, or whatever else you need to check off on your to-do list. Throughout the testing phase, I noted that this step stool is quite stable. There's no shakiness to speak of. This stool opens and closes easily, and while it weighs a mere 3.6 pounds, it has a 300-pound weight capacity. This step stool is pretty compact as well. It folds down to 1.75, so it's easy to store when not in use. Considering how compact it is, this step stool would be great for any room in the house, not to mention ideal for small quarters, where space is at a premium like apartments, dorms, and even RVs. The one con to speak of may be the higher price point, which, at more than $30, seems a little steep for a plastic stool. Number 2. Kickerland Rhino 2-Step Stool. While this step stool features an all-steel frame, it's still pretty light, 5.9 pounds to be exact. The lift on this step stool is 16 inches, and while one 12-inch step was wide enough to feel safe on the climb, the lower rung was just too narrow to get up without a wobble. I felt the need to steady myself and didn't feel completely confident as I descended with a glass vase in my hand. Number 3. Gorilla Ladder's 3-Step Pro Grade Steel Project Ladder. This step stool works well for those who are less confident about their balance, since it has fully incorporated handrails covered with foam grips. When you get to the top, you encounter an additional support railing that's covered in soft material and an attached tool bag that can hold small items such as screwdrivers. Unfortunately, the rails prevent the step stool from folding completely flat, so it's important that you have a large enough space for storing it. We also were impressed with the weight capacity, which is a generous 500 pounds. The step stool also has a few nifty safety features, such as a metal buckle that locks into place. To keep the ladder stable, there are horseshoe-style rubber feet, which have flat bottoms to ensure total contact with the floor. Number 4. Cosco 2-Step Big Step Folding Step Stool. This step stool is worth an honorable mention, as it is the second best 2-step stool we tested. While it reaches a little higher and features wider steps throughout compared to the Rubbermaid just felt a bit more sturdy on the climb. This one is also a tad heavier, and when going up and down a flight of stairs, those 2.9 pounds make a difference. These 2-step stools run neck and neck in terms of price, but a lighter step stool will always have an edge in terms of convenience and ease of use. Number 5. Tower 3-Step Ladder. I was a bit surprised how well the HBTower step stool stacked up among its competitors. When it arrived, my impression was that it was clunky and wide, but as the testing phase progressed, this one proved to be rather utilitarian. One of the best selling points for this step stool is the extra wide pedals. The widest step on this step stool is generously sized at 14.2 inches, and those with an average-sized foot won't feel like they're teetering when stepping up. The wide pedals also have a non-slip rubber grip that offers heel-to-toe foot support. Honestly, I was able to climb up and down with nary the thought of feeling unstable or uneasy. With the highest step coming in at 28 inches from the floor, this step stool provides ample lift for getting into hard-to-reach spaces, and it will likely offer a good assist to see your household projects through to completion. This step stool is equipped with a metal buckle that automatically locks into place once you step onto the stool. It has rubber feet that fully contact the floor, keeping you firmly in place, and as an added benefit, they won't mar your floors. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.